Have you ever used baking flour to make soup? Just hold on. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use baking flour to make soup. So we'll be making what juicy bitter leaf soup. Yes. So we'll be using what baking flour in place of cocoyam or thickener. You understand? So we'll be using that as thickener. I've already parboiled my meat, added, palm oil, my blended crayfish and my ogre. Are you see that? So I gave it a good stir. Just hold on, hold on, hold on. I stirred it very well. Then I added what my melted baking flour. This is baking flour, the one you use to make your buns. Yes, your meat pie. Now be this. So you add it, stir it very well. Take a look at how thick it is. Oh my god! If I tell you this is not cocoyam, you won't believe it. Look at how it's looking like fresh cocoyam. Are you see that? So give it a good stir. Your baking flour is not meant for just baking alone. You can use it to do other things. Yes, you see, this soup tasted so nice. My god, I call this a pot of gorgeousness. Ha ha ha. Just give this recipe a try. Okay, so now just hold on, let's see the end of this video. Just watch to the end, please. If you have watched to this time and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Yes, I can't wait to welcome you to this amazing family. So stir it very well. Yes, as you see that very thick. At this point, I added extra oil. I added my seasoning, my salt. Oh my god. Africa, when I get food, so I added what? My fish. Yes, I added it towards the end because I don't want it to scatter. Then my fresh bitter leaf. See this bitter leaf? I parboiled it small because I don't want it to be too what? Bitter. Take a look at this, guys. Oh my god, very yummy. Just take a look at this. This is your baking flour. Baking flour. Stop using your baking flour for just baking. No, use it to do other things. Take a look at this. Do you have baking flour at home and you don't know what to do with it? Go and buy bitter leaf and make this deliciousness for your family, and they will appreciate you. My god, this soup right here tastes nicer than what our normal cocoyam bitter leaf soup. This is juicy, yeah. So I want it to be more juicy than this, and I added it extra water to make it juicy. Take a look at the juice. My god, just take a look at this. What are we not saying? What swallow would you be eating this with? I actually ate this with what? Semolina. My god, very yummy, very delicious. Just try to, try this recipe. Okay, it's very delicious, very yummy, and very oh my god, which English I want to use again? Just try it. Take a look at this, and I enjoyed myself. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.